The people who work for Landcare are passionate about what they do, and they're passionate about positive outcomes for the environment.
What we're about is connecting communities and building resilient landscapes. Landcare is really powerful in being able to solve a lot of these complex problems because it brings expertise with that personal engagement.
We embrace everyone. If you're doing bush care, land care, ocean care, dune care, they're all part of our Landcare community.
The Wild Adventure program is a great way to be able to gain that community as well as helping the environment. It's a really great event for young people to come out, connect to the environment around them, but also connect with each other. By working together, this action feels like it is actually making a difference.
Landcare New South Wales is in partnership with Greater Sydney Landcare to run the Creating Canopies project, and it's all about planting trees to cool Greater Sydney. We've planted 300,000 native trees and shrubs across the lowest canopy cover LGAs. We're educating and engaging the community so they understand why planting trees is important for climate change.
I work with oyster farmers in the Greater Sydney region to really support them in adopting best practice, improving waterway health, and just building stronger industry connections between the industry, the community, the environment, the government.
One of the things that our Landcare local coordinator helped us to do was this responsible oyster farmer training that really taught this concept of social licence to make sure that the community know how much we love the water quality, the seagrass, the health of every species that lives here. Landcare's been such a great stakeholder in partnership with us.
Education is a really important part of what we do. By being able to bring the corporate groups, we can assist in removing those weeds and maintaining that diversity of our native wildlife and vegetation. It's really just connecting with the community. I like your nails.
We all celebrate platypus in August. It started a few years back and it has been amazing. We can create awareness in the community, getting to know what we can actually do for platypus. So I love to see kids be very excited.
We do lots of platypus projects with the Hawkesbury Nepean Landcare coordinator. We need to make on-ground changes based on what we find through that research. So having those local Landcare coordinators, they build up the capacity of communities to make a huge impact of our research.
I run Habitat Network, which is a community native plant nursery and community food garden. In partnership with Ryde Council, I'm very passionate about getting habitat corridors connected. By doing citizen science and improving the skills of our groups, it allows that to happen.
Greater Sydney Landcare partners with Aboriginal communities in our region. We've been supporting cultural burns, knowledge sharing, connecting to country, and a project led by local Aboriginal women caring for the Lane Cove River.
The great thing about Streamwatch is it is citizen science. It is enabling people to understand their environment better. Great for the individual, great for the environment, and great for long-term management of catchments.
We can see trends in the water quality of our two creeks that we monitor. It's a collaboration to achieve the end result of the land and the water conserved and improved.
In partnership with Greater Sydney Landcare, we bring together a whole lot of volunteer coordinators that are working in the council areas across Greater Sydney. We both share a very strong vision for the environment.
It is so satisfying to be a part of Landcare and see positive outcomes. I think the outcomes are limitless.
It's about all of us working together, being part of the Landcare family. Without Landcare, you don't have that care and understanding of what you're actually trying to do and trying to achieve.
Community comes down to having a heart really, and wanting to connect with each other and having that joint effort. There's nothing like it.